From the CAL FIRE Information Center, I'm Brice Bennett with your fire update for January 16, 2025. Pre-positioning resources has allowed for a quick response to initial attack fires sparking across the region, including the quick deployment of resources to 10 new CAL FIRE and United States Forest Service incidents within the red flag area occurring in the last 24 hours. Those were all contained at less than an acre combined. As firefighters continue to make progress, some firefighting resources are being demobilized as additional teams arrive to focus on mop-up operations, suppression repair, and further progress on containment lines. Here are the latest numbers on Southern California incidents. The Palisades fire has burned a little over 23,700 acres, containment growing to 22%. The Eaton fire stands at over 14,000 acres burned, containment's at 55%. California National Guard force packs are completing training today and will be deployed to the fire lines tomorrow. In addition to thousands of firefighters from the front lines of other states and countries, a contingent from Israel is expected to arrive today. Damage inspections continue with the current initial assessments being 5,316 for the Palisades fire and an estimated over 7,000 structures destroyed on the Eaton fire. Numbers are currently being validated by damage inspectors on the ground. These current numbers make the Eaton and Palisades fire the second and fourth most destructive fires in California's history. Officials continue to reassess the evacuation orders as work is underway to quickly get residents back into their neighborhoods. Firefighters are working with utilities like power, water, and roads to rapidly address the significant infrastructure repairs and dangers to ensure hazards like fallen trees and down utility lines are mitigated. Crews are working around the clock to address these hazards. Urban search and rescue crews are working within the burn area to continue the search for missing persons. A red flag warning remains in effect through 3 p.m. Thursday for the Santa Susana Mountains, western San Gabriel Mountains, parts of LA and Ventura counties, and portions of the I-5 corridor north of Santa Clarita. Improving humidities are expected Friday and Saturday, and winds will reverse to onshore with dry conditions. Monday and Tuesday look to be extremely dry with a 50 to 70% chance of red flag warnings over the typical Los Angeles and Ventura Santa Ana wind corridors. For those getting ready to return to their properties, check out readyforwildfire.org to better prepare yourself for a safe return. As always, for current, accurate, verified information, check our incident page at fire.ca.gov. I'm Brice Bennett. Have a fire safe day.